Hi, Sally. What are you doing here?
Hey, Susie. I need to buy my sister a new necklace. I accidentally lost her necklace, and she is really mad at me now.
But you said it was an accident.
Yeah, but I didn't ask if I could borrow it.
Oh, that's not good.
She wasn't home, and it looked nice with my outfit, so I wore it.
That's like stealing.
I know. I feel terrible. I was going to put it back when I got home.
How did you lose it?
I don't know. I was on my way home and I noticed it was gone.
Was it an expensive necklace?
I don't know. I'm looking for a replacement here.
What does it look like?
It's a gold butterfly.
Like this one?
That's it! That's exactly like hers. How much is it?
The price tag says $100.
Wow, that's expensive. Now I see why she was really mad.
Are you going to buy it?
Yeah, that's all the money I have until my next paycheck.